All right, it's September the 16th, it's Tuesday, and we've got a little bit more progress done today. That is our first driveway. It's been smoothed out so that logging trucks can get in here to get the wood. And the wood is down over to my right. And this is our one burn pile, the first burn pile, which is quite big. And our second burn pile is down there, which is big and going to get bigger. And we'll take a quick walk down here and you'll see what has been done so far. We'll do another video tomorrow and you're going to see more of the land, because right now we've got a bunch of trees that are covering up some of the land over to our left here. We'll get to that in a second. So you can see how it kind of all slopes down here. And Denise and I were just talking that maybe like right over here, there's a dip, and it's quite a bit of a dip. We wanted him to fill it in, but maybe he can leave a little bit so that the water that comes from all over here will run down this way in behind those trees and then go off into the woods over there, instead of having it wash away all this dirt here continually and make grooves and so forth. Because this seems to be like the best area we have for planting trees. This is what we're thinking. In our garden, we're not sure exactly where at this point. It's going to depend on, I guess, sunshine and what we plant. And then over here to our left, we got our actual driveway that we're going to be coming in where the home is. The home is going to be somewhere over there where those trees are laying down, as you can see there. That's all going to be, all of that stuff there is going to be cleared out tomorrow. And then we'll have a better view of the property. So we'll see, get a better idea of where the house is going to be. And so we've got cleared up from way over there to right, just a little bit to the left of that excavator over there. And you can see here we've got some ditches. Some of them we're going to have filled in. This one's probably going to be just for allowing water to run down this way. It naturally ran down that way before we had this, and I guess goes down there, and there's a culvert on the other side of that pile over there where it goes under the road, the little dirt road there, and then into the woods over there. And there's another ditch over here that was probably running some water in it as well. Maybe not a whole lot by the looks of it, but we are going to have that pretty much mostly filled in so that we'll have more of a yard here in the back. So the front of the house is obviously going to face the road, and the back of the house is going to be over here somewhere looking down in that direction. So we've got a fairly big yard and some area for fruit trees and garden. And this is it's come along good. We're pretty excited about this. And we've got a little patch here of woods, or trees I should say, that we're going to leave. We're not going to take those down. We just don't have the money to spend on clearing all that out, and there's no real reason for us to do that anyway. And so that's our update for today. Keep watching and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we put these videos out. We'll see you on the next one.